Happening today in Kansas City, Missouri, masks are now required in most public places. Mayor's new rule announced Friday applies anywhere that you can't keep a safe 6-foot social distance. This morning, KMBC 9's Martin Augustine is live to explain the specifics of the mayor's plan. Martin.
Yeah, good morning, Cody. There is a little bit of nuance in the order from Mayor Lucas, but at the heart of it, and it bears repeating, is the 6 feet of social distance. If you can reasonably stay 6 feet away from somebody, you're in the clear, but if that can't be expected to do so, then you're going to need to wear a mask. Now, like we said, there are some exceptions to this mandate, including those of you with disabilities that might keep you from comfortably wearing or removing masks or communicating with a mask, or if you have a respiratory condition, or if you've been advised by a medical, legal, or behavioral professional that you should not wear a mask. Also, if you're eating or drinking at a restaurant or bar, of course you can't have your mask on doing that, so you can remove it there. However, when you're finished with your meal, you're done drinking, you need to get that mask back on. Now, along those lines, when Mayor Lucas ordered the mask requirement, he did lift the capacity requirements that have been in place for the past several weeks on Kansas City, Missouri businesses, which is great news for those businesses, although there are exceptions to that too. Bars and restaurants have to pay attention to the previous rules. Reporting live, Martin Augustine, KMBC 9 News.
Martin, thank you. Starting tomorrow, Wyandotte County and Kansas City, Kansas will add similar plans into play. People will be required to wear a mask covering their nose and mouth when in public, indoor and outdoor spaces, unless, of course, they can practice proper social distancing. Happening today, Ride KC wants to make sure its riders are protected, so they're handing out reusable cotton masks at stops across town. Money from the Federal Transit Administration paid for the project. Now, we're told there are no specific locations where you can get the masks, just heavily traveled areas, so look for them there. Here's a reminder from the CDC about how best to wear your mask to protect you and the folks around you. These are all very, very key. Wash your hands before putting on your face covering. And yes, even though we've seen people not do this, make sure to cover your nose and mouth and secure the mask underneath your chin. Wear it correctly. Try to fit it snugly against the sides of your face to make sure that you're able to breathe easily as well. New numbers this morning show the rise of coronavirus cases in our area. We saw 185 new cases reported just yesterday in the 9-county metro area. Wyandotte County now has nearly 2,200. Kansas City, Missouri has a total of 1,900. Starting today in Johnson County, kids as young as 12 can get a COVID-19 test. Health Department just lowered the age limit, so now kids 12 or older can get a test at the Olathe office. You do need to make an appointment, and a parent needs to be there for kids under 16. You can sign up by going to the Health Department's website. This morning, we are watching a coronavirus outbreak take shape at a Missouri food processing plant. Tyson Foods says 249 more workers have tested positive at their plant in McDonald County in southwest Missouri, so 371 total cases so far. Tyson says 85% of these employees didn't show any symptoms of the virus. Food plants across the country have caused many of what officials, and we've heard this term before, call coronavirus clusters. We've seen that in our area too. CDC workers are now looking into an outbreak in Joplin, Missouri. That's according to the director of the Missouri Health Department. The group is the first CDC team on the ground in the Show Me State. Teams will be in the area through July 9th.